We're in the middle of a remodel here. Kind of got a mess going on. But we were going to just clean this carpet, because this carpet up here looks pretty good. And we're pretty anxious to use this thing. We may put wood floors down in the future, but for now I think we're just going to clean it. And I'm also worried about when the slide comes in, does it scratch the wood floors? If anybody knows, leave a comment below and tell me how you did it and if it works okay. But back here I was cleaning the carpet and it looked like somebody had spilled something over here, and it was nasty. So I decided to rip this carpet up out of the bedroom, and they even had it on these boxes, both these boxes on the sides. They had carpet on that. It covers up some of that plumbing, because you got the water tank and the this is the heater that uses engine coolant to keep the bedroom warm and the tanks from freezing while you're going down the road. You got water running all the way from the engine back here to this radiator, and then it comes out these vents here. Pretty neat. Then you got your water pump and everything back here. But I've got just some laminate hardwood floor to put back here, and these boxes, they unscrew, come out. I'll cover them in wood. So there's just some plumbing back there. Well, I'm gonna leave the carpet under the bed. It's actually still covered in the plastic. So that carpet underneath that plastic's brand new. And it's the same way all over. But so I'll just wipe that down. And really, this place over here is the only real nasty place I saw. The rest of it didn't look too bad. I don't even really want to know what happened over here. I don't know if they just spilled a plate of chili or left it or something else, and I don't think I want to know what it is. But it didn't smell or anything. And take this box here out, we'll cover it with the laminate, put them back. But anyway, I'll show you the after when I get it done.